Anytime now. This is on Presidential Sunday Street Celestial. Wolf Run under Federal Side Fly, Aday Fly, Typhoon Doding and Wonder Joyce. 4 runners fighting it out for the lead Celestial. Wolf Run Sunday Street. Presidential is running by Daryl Wonder Joyce is joining them. Wolf Run 2A by a length and a half, followed by Celestial. Wonder Joyce racing on the outside. Presidential as they race the final corner. 2A Wolf Run by a length and a half. Wonder Joyce by the rally's Presidential. And down the stretch they come. Wolf Run racing away by about 3 lengths, followed by Presidential and Wonder Joyce. And finally, the icebreaker 2A Wolf Run, Presidential, Wonder Joyce, Celestial, Typhoon Doding, Fly, Aday, Fly, and Sunday Street comes last.
Sabi mo, masyado maigsi. Aba,